Welcome, brother.
Welcome, brother. Ano sa brother?
Assalamualaikum.
Malaikum salam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Di mi ka balo
Let's
mag-stream.
play the game.
Balo ko gamay.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from
Philippines.
Philippines.
Oh, okay.
I'm fine.
Very, very beautiful country.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's true. True ulpur. That's cara. No.
Do you guys have questions to me? Questions.
Okay, sunukin.
Tulik ka pisot.
I don't get it. What is that?
You don't understand?
Can you teach me your language? I want you to teach me your dialect.
May risig dialogue.
Jakul is handsome.
Huh?
How do you say you guys are handsome? How do you say handsome in your dialect?
Jakul.
Jaku.
Yes. When you see Pinoy said that you are Jakul.
You are Jaku.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
One more. How do you say if you see a beautiful girl? You are beautiful. How do you say that?
Ay. Saman. Animal.
Animal.
Yes.
That's for girls.
Yes.
Okay. I will try that later on.
When
Let's see if
say,
that will work.
Filipinos.
Every Filipino, right?
Yeah, every Filipino.
Oh, anima. Okay. More. Can you teach me more? I want you to teach me more.
Just ask. I will translate. Oh, Chinese.
Okay. How about how are you? How do you say how are you?
Kamusta?
Kumusta? Where is the other guy? I want to see your friend. You put your friend in the camera too.
Apil ka.
Laminoro ko.
That
Apil
better.
Apil doon.
Are you guys friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Come on, I want you to teach me more.
Miss
Teach me
Lou.
more.
Nanlo.
Hey. Tudloy pa ko ba? Tudloy pa ko daghan.
Piste. Animal. Yo, bisa yan. Gogo. Animal ka.
Kabalo sa magbisaya do.
Kabalo ka Bisaya?
Oh, kabao ko Bisaya.
Nyawa.
Lain to tao.
Gogo.
Kabalo sa
Balo
magbisaya.
Bisaya ro, kuyawan ako eh. Gago.
Dili.
Dile. Matay mo na makakarabo po.
Batag mo, batag litok mo.
Na, tabang.
Dili oy.
Dili ay, wala naka-translator eh. Tabang naka-translator lahi. Antay ang kwan sa baba eh.
Wala ko naka-translator. Mauli ko Bisaya.
No.
Kabalo siya. Gogo.
Animal, dali may
With
bay.
Gemini.
Dali bay, dali.